Northern Territory is said to become the first Australian jurisdiction to welcome back international students since the introduction of strict border closure in March due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Northern Territory has stormed South Australia to spearhead the international students as a part of the country's first pilot program, which will see up to 70 students arriving in Darwin from Singapore later this month. The first batch of students will return to the campus at the Charles Darwin University after spending 2 mandatory weeks in quarantine at the government facility in Howard Spring. Time for the Charles Darwin University's next intake on 9 November. Charles Darwin University Deputy Vice Chancellor Global Strategy and Advancement Andre Everett said the students will come from a range of source countries including China and South Asia and will be traveling on their own expense. South Australia government continue to work with the federal government to iron out the final details of the pilot plan that aims to fly back up to 300 international students into Adelaide from Singapore. Any pilot program require multiple approval and the South Australian government continue to work closely with all relevant parties to ensure international students are welcomed back to the state in a safe and responsible way that meets South Australia health strict requirements. In a statement to SBS Punjabi, a spokesperson for the state government said they are committed to welcoming back overseas students who are important members of the community. Study Adelaide will work with the universities to assist international students to book flight once the proposal is approved. We had not paid thousands of dollars to sit in front of the laptop for all other international students who are currently stranded overseas and are studying universities in other states, particularly New South Wales and Victoria. International students contribute an estimate 99 million into the Yanti economy each year and support almost 500 jobs. It is hoped that the success of the pilot will help contribute to the recovery of Yanti economy. Vice Chancellor Andre Everett said that. That's the small update today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more update.